Hi everyone. This is a biohazard symbol. It is a universal symbol that warns against a threat. Well, there's a threat out there that all too often keeps us from doing what we know we want to do or becoming what we know we want to become. The problem is that it's invisible, so we can't just slap a sticker on it. Here's what it is. It is us comparing ourselves to other people. All too often we might look at someone else and think, oh, why can't I be like that person? And usually it's because someone else has achieved something that we want to do. Here's the thing about that. Number one, it is a total waste of time. And number two, it is a complete suck of our energy. Everyone else on the planet is already taken, so we can't be anyone else. Here's the way to crush this obstacle. Instead, look at another person that you admire and look at their tactics. Look at maybe what they do. Look at something in maybe their daily routine that they do that is helping them to achieve their own goals. So there you have it. Don't fall into the nasty habit of comparing yourself to anyone else. Instead, figure out what's working for that person and try doing that for yourself. If this resonates with you, then you may be interested in the workshop that I'm conducting at the SMRP conference this month. It's going to be held on October 10th from 8 in the morning until 12 p.m. I hope to see you there. And if you liked this little message, then come back tomorrow because I'm going to share something else with you. Something else that will help you to crush the obstacles and bring your own goals alive. I'm Nancy Regan. Thank you for watching.